Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're gonna be doing a burping contest, y'all. And I know I changed clothes.
No, shush.
You wanna see?
No.
You wanna see?
No.
I kind of talk here.
No.
Excuse me. Excuse me. This Taco Bell's not working well on me.
Then why don't you fart in your own toilet?
Okay.
So we're doing burping contest.
And she's gonna. I can't get one because I already drank like entire Mountain Dew. Disgusting. I'm having doubts because I hate babe, this so I'm just gonna tastes disgusting. I can't burp. God. Yeah, she's disgusting. And don't mind her.
Oh, you think I'm disgusting? Says the one who talks about diarrhea, farts, and poop all the time. Want to know who actually does?
Who?
I don't know.
Extreme dramatic.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Yeah, I put on eyeliner and I'm scared it's gonna get in my eyelids. I'm not gonna show the top of my head because I know you're
By the way, makeup done by, guess who? Me?
Me!
No, she doesn't know how to do eyeliner. She's scared to do eyeliner.
I'm gonna get it in my eyes.
I'm friends with the monsters inside of my bed.
No, inside of my head.
No bed.
No, like right. I'm friends with a monster that's laying on my back.
No, what? Stop!
I'm friends with a monster. I'm friends with a ew. I'm friends with a monster. Move. Okay, her butt is very large.
Shush! That's personal.
And good thing. And we have to be
Shush! Hi, Barbie. Hi, Ken. Wanna go for a ride? Sure, Ken. Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl. Ow! I hurt my arm. Ow! Wait for it. Wait for it. And this is our driver's license.
No! Don't show her license.
We got one and it's fine.
No, we didn't get a license. No.
We didn't get
We're
it.
gonna get a license in a few years.
Yeah.
No. No, my baby hair is gross. Ugh.
Okay, guys, let's end
My
the video.
stomach-
Bye.
No,